For this week, we will have our discussion about finding the equation given the sum and product of the roots. We will have a recall on the formulas for the sum and product of the roots. The sum of the roots is equal to the negative of the quotient of B and A. And the product of the roots is equal to the quotient of C and A. Using the sum and product of the roots, we can now write our equation as x squared, then the opposite of the sum of the roots times x, plus the product of the roots equals 0. Example, the sum is equal to positive 8 and the product is equal to positive 15. We are going to write the sum and product in their fraction form. So we will write our 8 in its fraction form and its denominator is 1. So that is written as 8 over 1. For our product, its denominator is also 1. So it is now written as 15 over 1. Notice that our denominators are the same. So that will be our A. The numerator of our sum, which is positive 8, will be our negative B, while the numerator of our product, which is positive 15, will be our C. We now identify the values of A, B, and C. The value of A is equal to 1. The value of B is equal to negative 8. Take note that we need to get the opposite of the numerator of the sum for the value of B. And for the value of C, we have positive 15. With these values, we can now form our quadratic equation. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Next example, we have a sum which is equal to negative 7 and a product which is equal to positive 3. We are going to write our sum and product in their fraction form. Negative 7 will have a denominator which is 1. It is now written as negative 7 over 1. For our product, its denominator is also 1. And that is written as 3 over 1. Notice that our denominators are the same. So that will now be our A. The numerator of our sum will now be our negative B. And the numerator of our product will be our C. A is equal to positive 1. B is equal to positive 7. And C is equal to positive 3. Our equation is written as x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Next example, we have a sum which is equal to 1/2 and a product which is equal to negative 5. Since our sum is already a fraction, we simply copy it, and that is 1/2. For our product, which is -5, its denominator is 1. So it will be written as -5/1. Our denominators are different. Therefore, we have to get their LCD. The LCD of 2 and 1 is equal to 2. So 1/2 is still written as 1/2, while -5/1 is written as -10/2. Our denominators are now the same. So that will now be our A. The numerator of our sum will now be our -B. And the numerator of our product will be our C. A is equal to +2. B is equal to -1. And C is equal to -10. So our equation is 2x squared minus x minus 10 equals 0. And for our last example, we have a sum which is equal to -3/4 and a product which is equal to +1/6. Our sum and product are both fractions, but they are dissimilar fractions. So we are going to change them to similar fractions. And we have to look for their LCD. The LCD of 4 and 6 is 12. -3/4 is now -9/12. And +1/6 is now +2/12. Our focus will now be on -9/12 and 2/12. Our denominators are now the same, so that will now be our A. The numerator of our sum will now be our -B. Take note, the negative sign will be carried by the numerator. And the numerator of our product will be our C. Our A is equal to +12. B is equal to +9. And C is equal to +2. So our equation is written as 12x squared plus 9x plus 2 equals 0.